We are gonna order some fresh seafood online from Clearwater Seafoods using their website, clearwater.ca. We're gonna get some live lobster and we're gonna get some mussels. And we want 10. We're gonna add that to the basket. You can get crab, shrimp, scallops, oysters, salmon and clams, and there we go. We've added fresh mussels to our shopping cart. There's the mussels, there's the live lobster, and we're gonna finish the purchase. Just arrived by FedEx. We'll see what we've got in here. I've just cut it open. Nice insulated box to keep all the seafood all fresh. Packaged with ice. And let's look underneath here and see what we've got. We should see some beautiful, there we go, fresh lobsters. Look at those. Moving, very lively. Let's just have a quick look at one. Look at that, stretching his arms out, he's full of life. So these are 1 1/4 to 1 1/2 pound size. And then if we look on the other side, just move the ice. Look at these fresh PEI mussels. We're going to cook these in cider with garlic and butter and herbs and cream, and it's just going to be yummy. Mussels, lobster, a fantastic seafood feast, direct from Clearwater Seafoods. Table is set for eating fresh live lobster. Well, we're going to cook it, obviously. We're not going to eat live lobster. We've got guests arriving in about an hour. Oh, who's this little guy? That's Larry the Lobster from Clearwater Seafoods. He came all the way from Nova Scotia with us in September when we visited Clearwater Seafoods. Okay, so here's to a good evening and some fabulous seafood. Cheers, Larry and Rhonda. PEI mussels into the pan. Beautiful. And this is blackened Cajun prawns. Fresh PEI mussels. Look at those.
Ooh, and they're cooked perfect.
Look
how juicy and fatty they are.
And here's the broth for the mussels. What's in there, Rhonda?
Strongo cider, tarragon, parsley, Greek yogurt, garlic, mussels.
Yum. Bacon wrapped scallops. Oh my god. And a Cajun shrimp. Yeah, that's the PEI mussels. We got homemade focaccia bread. We got Cajun prawns. And we got bacon wrapped scallops in bacon jam. Wow. Okay, we're gonna eat. Okay, here we go. This is about 17 minutes of cooking. Look at these guys coming out. Oh, they're almost blended in with the orange tray there.
That guy looks huge.
Those guys are huge. 1 1/4 to 1 1/2 pounds, but they seem bigger than that. Those are looking just cooked perfectly and delicious. And there they are on the table, ready for munching down. We're not going to eat Larry the Lobster though, he's on top. He doesn't get eaten.